Hello everybody. Today we will work out a few 5-7 to 1 resolution exercises together. So we start with G major. First of all, you have to write out the chord tones of D7. So for now and until now we have only learned about the root position chords, meaning we always start with the root of the chord and a D, F sharp, A, C. And for example, some chords would be inverted sometimes. For example, we can start with F sharp. For now, we're simply not going to worry about that, and we'll only work with root position chords. Okay, so D, F sharp, A, C would be the chord tones of D7. D is the fifth of the scale, right? So that would resolve down to G. That can stay. All right. F sharp, it's the seventh of the scale, right? So that should resolve up to G. C is the fourth of the scale, so that should resolve down to B. And then if you check out these four tones, this is really just D, G, B, D. So that's G major triad with the G double, and the configuration is root fifth, root third. All right. So this is the situation that we will work with. All right, root third, fifth, flat seven. All right, and we won't be worrying about other situations for now. Okay. So let's do. Well, let's have a listen again. So this is in D. This is in G major. So D7, D F sharp, A, C. All right. So D resolves down to G, and then stay. F sharp up to G, and then C would go to B. Something like this. All right. So one more time. Sorry. That's your D7th. Down to G. All right. So that's how I would like you to work out the exercises. All right. Let's do one more bit on this page. Let's do D major. So D major, you have you have A7 as your 5 chord, right? So A7, that should be A, C sharp, sorry, E, and then G. Okay, so A is the fifth of the scale. It's the fifth of the scale, so you will resolve that down to D. That can also stay, so you have a DA. C sharp is the seventh of the scale, so you would resolve that up by a half step to D. All right, E resolve down to D because that's the second of the key, the second degree of the key, and then G is the fourth of the scale of the key. That should be resolved down to F sharp. If you check this, that should be root fifth, root major third, so that's your D major triad there. All right, and you should also try to play that on the keyboard. Let's work out two more maybe. Okay, let's do that in F major. The 5-1 resolution. So the 5-7 should be a C7. All right. So and then the chord tones should be C, E, G, B flat. All right. And if you resolve C down, it should go to F. You can also keep it. For E, that's the major 7 of the scale, so you would resolve up to F. G, it's the major 2nd of the key, so resolve that down to F as well, to the root, to the 1. B flat is the 4th, F, G, A, B flat, so you would go down half step to E. Sorry, go down half step to A. And F is the root. C is the 5th. Oh, sorry, 5th. Root again, 3rd. So that's your F major triad. That's a 1 chord. All right. Let's do one more. Let's do one more. B flat major. So you have what's the 5 chord? That should be F7. So that should be F, A, C, and then E flat. And then you would resolve the F to B flat. The F would also stay, so that should be F. A is the 7th, so we solve that up by a half step to B flat. C is the major second, so down to B flat 1 step. E flat is the 4th of the degree, so you would resolve E flat to D. So it's a down, down half step here. So B flat would be the root. F is the 5th, perfect 5th, and then you have the major third D. So that should be a B flat major triad. All right. So I would encourage you to work out in as many keys as possible. All right. So that's it for this video. I would see you in the next lesson.